Hello everyone, it's been a while since I've been behind the camera, but today I thought we'll be back. So yes, today we are going to, get your camera out here, clean up the chrome bumper for the K70. So recently ordered a new front bumper with end caps and indicators from Malaysia through Roller Resources. Definitely hit them up if you want good deal on original stuff, because I've tried the eBay ones before, which I bought second hand, and they were just a bit flimsy. But this one here is very nice and sturdy, and yeah, it's going to be original and look good. Now I'll also give you guys a quick update on the K70. So that unfortunately is still in storage. I do plan on getting it out pretty soon. We're still looking for a new shed setup, because as you can see, I'm very tight for room. There's nowhere to really work in here, which is a shame. So this is a 32 just still sitting around. I did manage to get most of the interior pieces, which is all under here and whatnot, and on the back seat. So once we get a new shed set up, this will start getting built properly, and yeah, it'll be totally awesome. So I also got historic rego for the K70, which means I get a bit cheaper insurance, bit cheaper rego, sorry. I can only drive it 90 days of the year, which is fine. Just means that, yeah, it's logbook driving, but it benefits me because I'm not paying all this money to have it on the road when I'm not going to be driving all the time. So it encouraged me to kind of get it out more often. Now also with the 32, I was planning on running these Weds Aloha mesh. As you can see, got a nice bit of dish, 17 by 9, I think it's plus 14 or so, and 8s on the front, plus 7. But yes, unfortunately, the wheels are a bit too aggressive. I was on this stock guard here. It's got some TI stockies. I think from memory, if I get this lined up, it's sat out about here, which isn't too much, but yeah, I wasn't planning on running much camber, if any at all, and I don't really want to roll the guards too much, so I might have to wait till I actually get the 5-stud hubs on, because these are still 4-stud and I just measured up roughly. So I'll probably get a better idea once the 5-stud gear is on to decide whether I can make it fit or not. So we'll also see about that. So yeah, sorry that there's been a bit of a break between all the videos, but trying our best just to get things done, but it's pretty tough with the situation we've got at the moment. So hopefully within the next month or two, we'll have the new setup, and that's when we can start full on getting into it, and yeah, really building up the cars and even just driving the Corolla again, which will be nice. So fingers crossed that all gets processed soon, and I reckon we'll get started on this bumper now. Okay, so what we have here is my rear bumper, this big one here. I've already polished that up. It's gone a bit dirty already again, but it's got some original old end caps which are a bit rusty, or not rusty, but dirty, needs cleaning. As you can see, it's got some brackets, just pretty much some bits of flat metal welded together, and I spray painted them Kiros black, which I think just looks a bit nice with the matte finish. And I also polished the inside of that bumper, so that one pretty much ready to go. Just needs a clean, so you can see myself there. Hello! And then we have this dirty one. Because being original, these are probably still 30-year-old pieces of chrome, and we are just going to polish them up and neaten them. So I'm going to start to do half the bumper to about there, and then we'll just have a look how much different it looks. This one's actually not too bad. The back one had a lot of surface rust. This one only has small bits here and there, as you can see. So let's get started. Okay, so what I got here is some auto sol metal polish. Just comes in a tube. Pretty much you put it on, but we'll clean it first, and you just rub it in and then wipe it off. Yeah, pretty much just go like this. It gets rid of most of the pigment and whatnot, and just, yeah, kind of just polishes it, makes it look nice. So I'll just do half the bumper, and see how it comes up. And you wipe it off, so I might skip to the halfway point. So I've just quickly done the face of the top half, like here. As you can see in the reflection, it's not perfect, I'm not going for perfect, but it's a lot better than what it was, as you can tell, with all the kind of pitting and whatnot. But yeah, it just gets rid of all that kind of surface rust and polishes it up all nice. So stuff like that will just disappear and go nice and smooth, just like the other one. So yeah, it'll look good. Okay, so that is pretty much done. Super easy and quick. If you want a better result, you just got to spend some more time polishing it. As you see, pretty nice reflection all the way around. Same with this one. Obviously this one's had a bit more, you can see it's a bit clearer than that. But I'll probably polish it again later down the track, but for now I'm happy with that. Okay, so what's left to do with the front bumper now is put the end caps on, etc., indicators, which I've got sitting in the shed on the Skyline somewhere. And yeah, I'll have to get some mounts made up, like this one. Go to a buddy of mine and we'll do a video on that, so you guys can see how we measure it all up and get it ready. So yeah, as for plans for the rest of the stuff, Skyline, haven't really done much. KE70's been sitting in the storage, like I said, but we will get back to that very shortly, hopefully. As soon as we get a new shed set up, just waiting to hear from, well, just all the process and whatnot. Can't really do that much at the moment, it's out of our hands. But yeah, it will be awesome. So there's a little update, and just, yeah, felt like making a video, so I polished up the bumpers for you guys. So let me know what you think. Can't wait to do some more, and cheers for sticking around.